It's been a while since I've had a haircut, and the top of my hair and my bangs are overgrown, so it's time to freshen it up. I cut the hair of guys of all ages, and today I'm gonna show you how to give yourself a professional haircut. So let's get to it. Okay, and the hair cutting video is over. It's finished. This is exactly the look that I've been going for. I'm trying to bring back the 1980s He-Man Masters of the Universe look. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm actually just starting with the front because I need to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go a lot shorter than this so I don't have to be too careful doing this part. I'm just getting rid of some of the junk. I'm an experienced barber, and normally I do this part by hand with scissors, but I'm gonna go a little shorter than I usually do, and this way it makes things simple for you. I'm just using a 1-inch guard. You have to taper your sides, and you can go as short as you want on this part, but today I'm not going to go too extreme.